Hey trophies, welcome to Throwback Thursday. We're gonna do a 17-minute Dave Hall classic revamp. I'm so excited for this rebounder workout. It's a non-beginner workout, so I hope that you have some rebounding experience for this class. I'm on my Jump Sport 350 Pro with the handlebar because the handlebar is a performance bar. So we always have our handlebar connected to our rebounders. Let's go ahead and get started with class. I'm Trophy Sally. To introduce myself, welcome to I Jump Instead and welcome back to I Jump Instead. Let's go ahead and stretch our entire bodies for about 3 minutes. So let's get into this nice up and down, gentle massage, connecting to our rebounder bounce. Close the mouth, relax the shoulders, stand with poise. Let's widen our stance and do some Tai Chi twists, looking over our back shoulder for the first 4 twists. Lean your head a little bit, keep your ankles and knees loose, lifting your back heel up enough to help you stretch deeper. 1 more. Perfect. So graceful. This time, keep your head facing forward and look over your shoulder here. Beautiful. Just keeping it nice and easy here. Perfect. 1 more. Excellent. Go ahead and relax with me here. Find yourself a comfortable position to go ahead and do some more neck stretching. Tuck your chin down. And then let's go ahead and reach down diagonal. Open the hand up. Stretch through your neck. Pull your lips and your cheek over so you get a nice deep stretch under your chin. Close your hand, open up, and switch. Reach down. Pull your lips over, close up your fist, open up, and relax. Open your jaw, and give me a smile, and relax. Keeping your teeth closed, let's do some forward back hip thrusts. Just easy breezy, loosening up the lower back, lengthening the core with every bounce. Heels are just barely bobbing off the mat. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and do some hip twists here. Sinking into those hips, standing poised. Come up on the balls of your feet, activating your ankles and calves. Let's go ahead and pick it up to a quicker pace. And then add the shoulders for nice upper body flexibility and hip flexibility and knee and ankle flexibility. Jumping hits everything. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this workout. We're gonna do knee kicks with 1 mid bounce. So let's start lifting those knees. Let yourself progress through the minute as your flexibility increases. If you need to add mid bounces, go ahead and add mid bounces between your knee lifts. Stand tall and poised while you manage your breath, because our heart rate is going to be picking up here. Focus on your core and stay in your mind to muscle connection. Let every down bounce tug on your muscles, contract your muscles while you stay poised. We're gonna switch to front kicks next in 3, 2, 1. 2 mid bounces. 1, 2, lift. Point your toes, stretching the tops of your ankles. Now let's go ahead and pull our feet back, pulling those toes back, spreading the toes apart. Let's go ahead and pronate the feet now, rotating the foot inward. Now let's supinate, rotating the foot outward with every lift. Excellent. Now just kick normally and see if you can kick a little bit higher. Keeping your jaw closed. Excellent job. Side to side kicks are next with 2 mid bounces in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Stretch through your hips, your inner thighs, feeling your core and your obliques activating, as well as keeping your lower back nice and strong. Managing your breath. Reducing your intensity if you're out of the fun zone. We want you staying in the fun zone while you're nose breathing. Poised, excellent posture, fantastic job. Next are low back kicks. Doing a little low back crunch in 3, 2, 1. 2 mid bounces. Strong core with every front leg land. Working evenly. I like to let go with one hand sometimes, just to allow myself a little more flexibility. As long as I stay balanced and work up the center of my mat. Picturing my core lengthening with every land on that front foot, staying strong. Doing a little dancer pose. Landing a little bit more up on the ball of my foot for more stability. Excellent. Twisters are next in 3, 2, 1. Twist right, center, left, center. And then find your pace so you can last the whole minute, working on your flexibility and your strength head to toe. Keep your breath calm, but power breathe if your heart rate starts to increase more. Stay in a powerful breath bath. Always work at your fun pace. So slow it down if you need to. We're gonna do a 15-second squat jog in 3, 2, and 1. Pick it up with me here. If you need to bring your heart rate down, just relax. We'll take a 15-second break in 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. Fully relax with poise. Get ready for another 1 and 2 and 1. Here we go. Relax your eye muscles. Great job. 3, 2, 1. Pop up. Relax. We're gonna do jump fitness next with our legs, and then shoulder pumps with our arms. 1 minute right side, 1 minute left side in 3, 2, 1. So jump fitness here, and then we're gonna extend as we hit that outer bounce. You're welcome to do both arms for the 2 minutes if you desire. So I want you to contract, keeping your biceps strong as you extend, keeping your elbow bent in the extension. Now make sure your chest and your lats are both activated so you're standing nice and tall. Always slow down if you need to catch your breath. I'm also keeping my other arm here nice and strong. Eyes relaxed, jaw closed. Excellent job. We're going to switch in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Staying centered, staying focused. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. Holding strong through your back and your chest and your shoulder, bicep, tricep. Great job. Keep it up. We're going to be doing jump fitness for the next 2 minutes again, except with a tricep extension. So get ready with me. In 3, 2, and 1. So now just reach back. Keep your arm tight into your side and give me a nice squeezed tricep bicep extension contraction, just like this. You're welcome to do both. Control your breath. Stay relaxed. Working your mind to muscle connection. Perfect. You're crushing it. Switching arms in 3, 2, 1. Excellent. I keep my head moving so there's no tension in my neck. Great job. Keep pushing. Stay centered right up the middle of your mat. We're going to be doing sit bouncing next. Work those trophy abs for 2 minutes. So give me all you got. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent job finishing strong. Let's take a little break. Perfect. Now let's sit down and we're going to do alternating leg lifts, just like this. Keep your bounce low and easy. And if your back ever gets to a point where it's had enough, just stop bouncing. If you keep your bounce low, you should be good. Now hold your handlebar with one hand, with both hands, or have your hands floating here. You are also welcome to do little twisting here with your leg lifts. I even like to touch the toes. Now you can always add mid bounces if you need to slow it down. Keep your teeth closed, chin lifted so it's parallel to the ground, but you are leaning back just a degree so you're staying aligned with your spine. We got 1 more minute. We're going to go just over 15 minutes. Keep your neck loose. Hold the activation only in your lips and your jaw. Little pursed lip. Great job. Crushing it. Trophy abs, 20 more seconds. We're gonna lay down next, keeping our head up off the mat. Continuing to strengthen our neck and chin and face. Excellent. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, bounce here, fully relaxed. And let's go ahead and lay down. Pull the feet up. If you are a lay down bouncer, I want you to start bouncing. If you haven't started bouncing yet, I want you leg swimming. Extend and flex your quads with every reach. Take it slow. Keep your core strong and your back flat. If you're bouncing, do the same. Strong core, flat back, and then find the position for your legs to give you the activation that you need so that you feel the burn. Your head is up off of the rebounder, strengthening your face and neck. And whenever you need a break, put your hands behind your head. Excellent job. Just under a minute to go. If you put your hands behind your head, you can use this as an opportunity to lift your head up and give your core a little of a crunch. Just lift your chin an inch. And then let go whenever you want to get back to strengthening your chin, face, and neck. Pull that belly button down, finishing strong. Every bounce counts, putting resistance against your washboard abs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. I do want you to sit back up. You can bounce a hair here, and then I want you to pop back up, stand up, relax your whole body. Just a little bit of tension release in this baby bounce has got you recovered. If you need more recovery, keep baby bouncing until you feel good to go. Thank you so much for joining me for this Throwback Thursday classic Dave Hall routine with a little bit of a trophy twist. I hope you do this workout again and again. If you loved it, give the video a like, and I will see you in your next Rebounder workout with I Jump Instead and the Trophy Twins. Take care, lots of love, bye-bye.